Friends, this scale is called a pan balance. A pan balance or balance scale, it's used to measure the mass of objects. How we do that is we put an object on one side of the scale, and then we use other objects with a known mass on the other side of the scale, and we look to balance it. We can tell it's balanced when the little green point is pointing straight down at that diamond shape. So that those 2 points are matching perfectly. That's how we know it's balanced. And that's why they call it a balance scale. So what I'm going to do is explain to you the little pieces that we'll use to measure. We have 1 gram pieces, we have 5 gram pieces, we have pieces that are 10 grams each, and then we even have one piece that is 20 grams. So we'll use these on one side and an object on the other to measure the mass of different objects. Right now, I'm going to put carefully, because I don't want to make the pan balance shake too much. I'm going to put a pencil on one side of the pan balance. And you can see now that green arrow moved all the way over. So I have to try and balance it over here. I could try a 20-gram piece and see if that works. See if I put a 20. Oh, it's way too heavy. I have to go lighter than that. So I try to work carefully so my pan balance doesn't start to shake. I'm going to try a 10-gram piece. I wait, I give it some time. I can steady it with my hand. Give it some time. And it looks like that's still too heavy. It's still a little bit too heavy. So I'm going to go down to some 5-gram pieces. And I'm going to put some 5-gram pieces in here. Ooh, not quite balanced yet. I need a little bit more, but I don't think I need another 5-gram. I'm going to try a 1-gram piece this time. Put a 1-gram piece in there. Ooh, it's looking really close. Do you see how that arrow is getting closer? That little green arrow is getting closer and closer to pointing to the diamond. I'm going to try one more piece and see if that works. We're close. Really close. I'm looking like we're just about there. So now I count, and I'm going to count the green piece by 5, 5, 6, 7 grams. So I know that pencil is about 7 grams. So if I'm going to measure a glue stick next, what do you predict? What's your estimate for how many grams the glue stick will weigh? Stop the video and write an estimate on your whiteboards. Right now you're back, and I'm going to put the glue stick in the pan balance. And it's pretty heavy, but I wonder if it's 20 grams heavy. Let me check and see. I'll use my 20-gram piece first and see if it's 20 grams. I'm going to do it carefully because the more, way too heavy, way too heavy. So let me try, my 10-gram pieces. Let's see. Ooh, that's looking good. 10-gram could be it. Let's try putting a 5-gram piece with that. I think that's way too heavy. So I'm going to keep my 10-gram piece, take out my 5-gram, and put in a 1-gram. Looks like I'm going to need more of those. So I'm going to take a bunch of those 1-gram pieces. There's another one. Still not balanced. Another one. I'm getting closer. I can see that little green arrow is getting closer. I'm going to put one more in. Did I go too far? Steady it and we'll see. It's looking pretty close. So let's count. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 grams for the glue stick. Now your teacher will talk to you about how many of these to add to your collection, but our goal by the end of the month is to get to 1,000 grams, which is equal to 1 kilogram.